Hi guys, in this lecture you are going to learn how to use compositions as track matte. It's going to be very interesting, I promise you. And I leave it to your creativity later on to create some exciting track mattes. They can be used as reveals, but also they can be used to split the composition, for example, among 2-3 videos and show certain parts. So let's start here. I will open a composition that is blank. This is the comp matte. I double click, it's just empty. I will just use the shape layer and create just a small rectangle just over here. Then I will select the rectangle, press V, and just duplicate it, and just move it to this side. Okay, duplicate it again, and just move it to this side. I will select the 3 of them here, come to align and distribute them, and I'd make them a bit smaller. Here you are. Okay, that's cool for now. Then at the bottom here, I'm gonna put another shape layer, just like this. Simple. Now I have a very nice composition. Notice the color of the fill, I put it as white. That's the best for alpha matte. I'll come back to the main composition. Then I will click on the comp matte and drop it inside above the layer. And very simply, just alpha matte. Here you are. Notice what happened here. You just used the whole composition, whatever is inside the composition, as a matte for the video layer. It's very interesting, right guys? Let's do more. For example, let's go to composition matte again, and for example I can delete this shape layer and come back to the main one, take another video, the Grand Canyon, and drop it in. Now what happened here is you divided your composition into 2 videos. That might look good, but then you can do it better. Let's take the comp matte and drop it above the Grand Canyon, and also do another alpha matte. Here you are. But now you tell me, okay, they're coming on top of each other. No problem. Let's take it down. Just like this. I'm pressing shift here. Okay, I'll put it down. I will take the top one. That's the top one. And put it up a bit. Okay, and here you are. Maybe you can add the text here. For example, climate change. Okay, here you are. You can just put it in the middle of the composition, just over here. Maybe make it a bit smaller. Okay, so now notice that you have 2 videos running and they are separated. But yet we can add an animation here. Let's go to the composition itself. Double click. I will go to 20 frames. Here you are. And then open the position, that is P, and keyframe the position just over here. Come back to the beginning, go to the align, and align them on the left. And then select all of them. I'll select the first one to the third one, and just move them to the right over here. Okay, and I play. Look how they're coming. Very nice. Now we are going to sequence them. Okay, so this guy will come first, then this guy, and then this guy, something like this, the way you would like. I'm doing it pretty fast. If you play your animation now, 1, 2, and 3. Let's go back to the comps track. Here you are. Climate change 1 and 2 and 3 is very nice. Now you will learn later how to inverse the animation over here. Quite interesting. One will come from the left and another one will come from the right. So actually guys, you have seen how easy it is to use the compositions as track matte. Whatever is inside the comp, in the good colors of course, can be used as a track matte. You can also set the region of interest if you like to make it smaller, you know, work on it and make a very nice animation and pretty interesting. Thank you guys. I hope this was very interesting for you. I hope this was very powerful and I hope you're gonna use it. Now, of course, instead of rectangles or squares, you can use circles, ellipse, whatever you like, and create a nice animation here. So this is some kind of a reveal, and also how to split your main composition into different tracks or different videos with the least work possible. Thank you. I will see you in the next lecture.